right, guys, this is the moment that I've been waiting for ridiculously a long time. I've been searching on the internet nights, days, shopping around, you know, like most of y'all, for a good deal on a dream boat. Well, I think this is it. I think I finally found my dream boat. Now, it's probably about 3 hours away from me. So you know what that means? So here's the boat, here's the gentleman that I'm getting the boat from. I'm telling y'all, this boat right here, we're about to check it out, go through it. I'm gonna let y'all see it. I'm gonna talk with the gentleman right here. We're gonna find out why he's getting rid of it. All right, so keep watching. Here's the boat, the story that he's selling this boat. Cause his truck, he had to put some money in his truck and he's getting rid of this boat. He doesn't know what he has, the price he's asking for it. I can't, I'm so honest. He's an honest guy. I'm giving him more money than what he's asking for. Cause that's the Southern thing to do. But look at it. This thing, the hull is freaking super unbelievable. I tell right off the back, this man, he's an honest man. And he already told me everything. But the deck right here, this is plywood. It's plywood deck, it's fiberglass. He was telling me that got some old spots, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna deck this thing out. So first thing is you can look inside the hull and you can see the hull itself is fiberglass, but the deck is plywood. It's got a tiller handle. And he's got a throttle cable ran up right here. You got your little grab bar right there. You got your kill switch, and comes with a trawler motor. Comes with everything. It's all set. All right, guys, so I got the boat. I'm about to hit the road. I just want to let y'all know, like, hey, look, somebody's selling something and you see the true potential and the true value in it. You know, I gave him a little extra cash for the boat because it's the right thing to do. You know, he didn't realize what he really had, and you know, I really like this boat right off the back. I fell in love with it. And my wife, she might bitch me out if she sees this video and knowing that I gave him a little extra more. But you know what? Good things come to those that do something like this. He gave me my dream boat, and hopefully that extra money will help him out for his dream, for whatever he has in front of him. So, let's get her home. Wow, that was some freaking fun.